Hi everyone, I have a haul here from Craspire.com. Now they did reach out to me and ask if I wanted to do this collaboration, and I said yes. So they have a lot of wax seals, but it looks like they've branched out into other crafting items. So I do have like a little bit of everything here. So I did get this bunch of flowers. It was $6.99. And I just thought these are really pretty ribbon to cut apart. So I want to show you. Let me see if I can find the end. Here's the end. So my idea is to cut these apart to be like fabric ephemera. I think would be really pretty. So you just got to cut right around the edge. You see, and now you have just a single little flower that you could go ahead and use it as an embellishment. But then over here, you can see it didn't come out messed up or fray or anything over here. It still looks perfect. So yeah, you can see all of this is going to make a ton of little fabric ephemera, which I think will give nice texture to any project that you're working with. And then, like I said, you get a ton of little pieces here when you break it down and cut it apart. But I mean, you could also just use it together. Like if you were doing, say, like an ATC card or a birthday card, you can always put a strip down of the flowers and have it be like a little border trim. That would be really cute too, or in a scrapbooking layout. So there's a lot of different options for this, and I like how much you get. Like I said, there's a ton if you start cutting it apart. This is that it's 5 yards, so that is a lot there. When you think about it, it's 5 yards and, you know, only $7 in total. That's not very much. That's $1 and change per yard. Then I got these. These were $1.49. And I thought these were great if you go to vacation in Las Vegas, or if you're doing an Alice in Wonderland junk journal. That was my first initial thought when I saw these, was for my Alice in Wonderland junk journal that I started but I haven't finished yet. So the jack, so like the little things right here, what are they called, the suits, these emboss, they don't actually cut out, but then these will all cut out right here. So for these, you do need to take apart the centerpiece. You could just go ahead and twist it with your fingers or use your pliers to get in there. And you want to twist that off. So then that way you can go ahead and just have the whole card exposed right there. So with this one too, you need to go ahead and take these two out right there as well. And then just go ahead and cut these up. So I thought that was really nice and really affordable for $1.50. This one, I think, is going to be my absolute favorite. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. This was $3.41. And with this one, you are going to die cut it, and then you can sew around the edges. So you see it has all these little holes that it cuts out. So then after you die cut it, you take your embroidery thread, and then you just start doing little stitches around. Or you could leave it blank like this with the little holes if you wanted to. And then you could see whatever colored paper you have in the background. So I think this is going to be a really nice size card front. And I'm really excited, you know, to do like a little bit of green threading over here. You know, maybe some like purples and some blues. So I'm really excited to cut this one out. Then it has this little border piece as well. Oh, I didn't even realize it has a little butterfly. And then there's a little heart right here. There's a little flower. That would be really cute to layer. So stitch this piece and then stitch this piece and glue that on top. I think I'm going to try that. Does that work with these also? Oh, it would. So you can definitely put those on top of each other. This one is slightly larger. So if you just put a little bit of glue in the center, then you can kind of like mold this top one to kind of like cup itself. So then that way you can see the embroidery thread from the bottom. I think I'm going to do that. That'd be really cute. So yeah, I cannot wait to cut these apart and then show you guys what those look like. So I will be coming back with another video for them showing how I've used all of these products. And then the next one is this gorgeous paper right here. This was $2.79. And let's see, you get 6x6 paper, you get 12 different sheets at 2 sheets of each. So, and then the cardstock is 160 grams. So this, I cannot wait to see. Like, this is definitely my kind of style of florals, like the dark florals, the vintage florals. This is just like the product cover, but save this. Like, look, you can definitely go ahead and trim this down and have this be like a little image strip. You have this whole area right here that you could definitely cut and use. I personally would just cut like this top part and this bottom part. Watch. Oops, sorry. I would just cut, you know, like right along the edge right here. And I would just cut this little strip off. Like that. And I would use all of this. Like this I would cut off too. And then you have all this area to go ahead and use and work with for your crafting. So always save the packaging for things. And then here is the paper. So it is one-sided. Oh, that's beautiful. That looks like a little lacy with all that floral in there. There's this one. That's really pretty. That reminds me of my mom with all the like pink flowers. And her birthday's actually tomorrow. She is turning the big 60. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, I think this one is my favorite. This looks like a beautiful wallpaper. I love that one. Ooh, I love this like wallpaper pattern. It gives me like Haunted Mansion vibes. Ooh, the blue flowers. Oh, these are just so pretty. This is definitely my kind of vibe of the dark floral vintage florals. Those are gorgeous. I cannot wait to use those. I don't have an idea on what I want to do yet, so I'll have to think about how I'm going to use those, but those are just absolutely beautiful. And then last but not least over here, oh no, we have two more items actually. So we have this pack. This was $5.99, and I don't know how much of each you get, but I have been saying for a while that I want to do the little fabric snippets, and I thought this would be perfect for that. This looks like a yard maybe. So here's what it looks like. You get a little cream flower and then this like dusty rose flower, and then it just repeats itself all down this lace. So with this, I am definitely going to be cutting it up also. So just kind of find where the pattern, like little webbing intersects, that you can go ahead and just safely cut it so it won't fray. Hope you guys can see right here what I'm doing. So just go ahead and go in there with a good pair of scissors and just cut around. So now you have this little applique right there. This would also be beautiful on a card front or an ATC. See, like right here, that little piece hanging off, I don't like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and snip that part off. And I'm going to snip this part off. And you see, it stays. If you like get right in the like little knuckle of it, you can just go ahead and it's not going to come apart. So yeah, that's a beautiful little applique piece for any project. If you like doing mixed media and using lace, this would be really pretty for that. That's a really good idea. So there's that first pattern. And then here is the next one. Oh, this is really pretty. I like how it like drips down, like dangles right here. I would put this on something and then add like a little rhinestone, or ooh, like even a little charm. Like if you have like a little diamond charm, I would hang that off of here, because you could definitely get a jump ring through there and hang, you know, a little charm off of. That would be so nice. So that's what that pattern looks like. And then here is our next one. Again with that cream flower. Oh, these are bows. Oh, this is going to be so nice to cut apart. Look at that. Oh, and this one's going to be so easy because you just have to follow around the edge of the pattern and just cut that extra little tool off. Oh, this is going to be so easy to cut. You're just going to follow right along the edge of the bow there and just snip that off. And then look, now you have this beautiful little bow applique. Get my flower to stand up straight. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous to go ahead and use for a project. That's really, really nice. And then here is our last item. This was $20.89. Did I say that we have a coupon code with them? It is VagabondCrafter10, and you can use that on your order. I'll go ahead and I'll leave that link down below for you guys. I'll also link all of these products. Whoa. So you get this nice case right here. You guys know I'm such a sucker for organizing right now because I've been trying to organize my space. So we have 2 handles that it comes with, and then you just twist these off, and then you can go ahead and change out the wax seal head there. Just put that on. So we have this first little flower. Then we have like a 4-leaf clover. That's going to be great for St. Patrick's Day. We have another flower here. Oh, is this a cherry blossom? That's really pretty. I have this one. Oh, I know the name of this one. I can't think of what it is right now. Oh, I'll have to think about that. Then we have a little rose. Then we have these. I think those are tulips, right? I might be wrong. We have that pattern. These are all really, really pretty. Great for summer or spring crafting, I mean. Really pretty. So that's it for today, you guys. This is our little haul. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to their website, to all of these products. I'll also include the VagabondCrafter10 coupon for you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.